This week, it's all about flowage fishing. Wisconsin has its fair share of flowages. Knowing what to do and when to do it is key. If I've learned anything over the years of fishing flowages, is fish the current. Fish dams and inlets that come into the system, and you will find the muskies. Fish number 2 of the day. Alright, man. She's looking good too. I must have chased over 1,000,000 miles. This is more than just, well, a passion. It's our addiction. It defines who we are and what we are all about. It consumes us. If this sport doesn't humble you, well, then nothing will. For us, it's all about the muskie. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. What are we doing?
Musky fishing, hardcore.
Opening day.
2012. Let's get her done.
We're waiting for this all winter.
All winter. Cabin fever till now.
All winter long we've been waiting for this. Finally it's here. Looks like we may get a little rained on this morning, but that's alright. That's a price you pay to chase these toothy critters around. But we'll see what happens. It should be a good one. It's going to be a weird year. It's been really, really warm very early. Then she kind of cooled down a little bit, so we'll see what happens. But we're going to go on the river, the Wisconsin River here, and it is the Wisconsin opener for musky fishing, and it opens up 2 weeks earlier than the rest of the state, south of Highway 10. We got a lot of rain, and they opened up the gates by the dam, and it was letting a lot of water through the dam, and whenever you open that up and you've got that flush of water, it really draws the fish up there.
Got one. Nice. Keep on, bud. Oh, nice set. Keep on, buddy. Keep on, buddy. Nice set. Nice
Fish, Derek. Way to go, bud. Dip it, dip it, dip it, dip it, dip it. All right, way to go, buddy.
Pal.
Knew they'd be in here. What were you throwing?
Shallow invader. Works every time.
First muskie of the year.
On opening season day too. Doesn't get no better than that.
Just came up. Were you in the figure eight?
Yep, just bring it into the figure eight. Not bad.
Nice.
How fat that is. It's got something in it, but I can feel it.
Yep.
Alright,
They're in there feeding.
let's put it back.
She's gone.
I smell a slime timer, that. Ooh, that smells good.
I am Muskies Inc., and my membership does a lot for muskie fishing. My membership helps to stock lakes with muskies for the future of our sport. My membership helps in cleaning up lakes and providing habitat that makes our fisheries healthier and stronger. My membership helps by getting our youth involved in the outdoors. Like I said, my $35 membership does a lot for the sport of muskie fishing. I am Muskies Inc. Are you?
Americans. We're the creators of things born of an independent spirit, designers of the great, architects of the useful, composers of the loud, builders of the beautiful. We live in a country that lets people make things they believe in, and that's as American as, well,
Yeah, baby, dandy fish. Nice fish, Central Wisconsin. Bucktails out, didn't have them by much, I'll tell you that much right now. But again, they love these little bucktails. Burning these little bucktails can be very, very effective. As you can see here, real nice fish. bunk on this one. Boy, its gill plate is all goofed up. Nice fish. Here you go, baby. That's what it's all about. Yeah, nice fish. Gill plate's all goofed up. This is a natural. It's not a clip fish. It's a natural reproducing fish here in central Wisconsin, the Wisconsin River. This is the opportunities that await you guys. Nice fish here. Let's let this girl go back, burning little bucktails. And she's out of here. We've got bluebird conditions, but again, it doesn't matter on the Wisconsin River system. Some of the best days that I've ever had has been on bluebird condition. Another thing that I like to do in this ultra shallow water is shut the trolling motor off. I set up, I've got a good wind blowing in here. What I do is I pick my drift, go up wind, and just drift back silently over these tops. Again, we're in shallow water, and the hum of that trolling motor, I truly believe, does affect a lot of fishing, especially in shallow water. So if you got wind, use it, be stealthy about it, throw spinner baits. Bright colors work great on this system, orange and black, and can get crushed, man. So back to work, fishing by myself, flying solo, but I got enough cameras set up that we'll be able to get a lot of cool shots and cool views here. Why do I shop at Joe's Sporting Goods? Because they built one of the best musky stores in the country. Rods, reels, nets, terminal tackle, all the top name musky lures that have proven track records for catching monster muskies. Plus, I want somebody that shares my passion. Somebody that understands exactly what I need. Outdoor experts. You can visit the store or you can check them out online. Joe's Sporting Goods.
Honey, what are you doing? I thought you were getting your hair cut at Great Clips.
I am. Already checked in.
How?
Their sweet online check-in app. Why wait around there for a haircut when I can work on my bod here? I got a few more minutes. And pump it and squeeze it. Ooh, smile at me.
Introducing the online check-in app from Great Clips. No more waiting around, because now we'll be waiting for you. Great Clips, it's gonna be great.
We need all-day power, and we get it. Angry seas and heavy winds, it don't matter. Why? Because we use Odyssey, the extreme batteries. Phenomenal starting power and massive deep cycle reserve power in one battery. Designed and built to last up to 3 times as long as other marine batteries.
We finally found a battery that can outfish us. Yeah!
New for 2013, Skeeter's MX 2025. Big brother of the MX 1825. It's bigger, and bigger is better. Bigger front and back deck. More features that musky anglers want and demand. Yes, it's bigger, and bigger means more horsepower. Contact the Skeeter Boat Center in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and see why bigger is better.
Second week of July, hot weather is what we've been plagued with in central Wisconsin. I'm back home doing some fishing. Once you find the cold water inlets, and what I mean by cold water is this water dumping into the system, whether it be the Wisconsin River, a lake, is typically anywhere from 5 to 15 degrees cooler. That cooler water coming into the system, especially if you can find weeds like I have here, tons of weeds. In fact, almost frustrating on how much weeds you're just picking spots,
You see a bare spot of sand, you throw it in real quick, short cast, bam, bam, bam. You're just popping holes. That's what I'm doing right now. Already I had one follow, about a 40-inch muskie followed up. Had a nice pike, probably about a 34 to 36 fatty on, that got off right at the boat. Then I had another follow, a small muskie. One of the things that I'm doing that's critical to this style fishing is the only tool, only lure that really works effectively in this weeded, choked off inlet here. And the very effective tool is spinner bait, single hook, because you can get through those weeds. If you get weeds on it, you can give it a good rip, get those weeds free, keep that blade spinning, keep that vibration going, and this is what happens. Payoff, baby. There we go. There's the muskie. Come on. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Nice little muskie here. Yeah, there she is, man. Real nice fish. Nice little muskie in these cold water inlets. About 7 to 8 degrees cooler in these cold water inlets than out on the main lake. Lots of weeds, lots of forage in here. Lots of muskies. Some big ones come out of situations like this as well. But what a dandy fish. Yeah. Sweet. Alright, man. Sweet! I'm telling you, baby, what an awesome strike. Real nice strike. There she goes. Bye-bye, girl. Thank you. Little slime time, baby. Little slime time. Bye-bye, girl. Thank you. Little slime time, baby. Little slime time. Yeah. All right. Fish, man, nice fish. Oh, on the creek, baby, on the creek.
We use the Bulldog Pro Series rods, but did you know that the Bulldog rods are sold in 3 price point ranges? The Select Series and Evolution Series all use the same T-Tech Musky Proven blanks as the Pro Series. The only difference is the Evolution and Select Series rods comes with T-Tech guides, and that's where we save you the big money. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started in the sport, Bulldog rods have the right rods at the right price to get the job done.
The world-famous Milwaukee Musky Expo is back, featuring all the latest in musky tackle, musky boats, musky resorts, and lots more. See the huge musky demo tank, or take part in the World Championship Musky Lure Contest. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find something at the Milwaukee Musky Expo to help you land your trophy muskie. February 15th, 16th, and 17th, State Fair Park, Milwaukee.
This is my new secret weapon. It's by Musky Mayhem. It's called the Trolling Girl. Heavier blades, heavier wire, heavier clevises designed for one thing and one thing only.
trolling. You know, all blades aren't created equal, and now one company stands above, and that is Musky Mayhem with their new 2013 Trolling Girls. Check them out at www.muskymayhemtackle.com. MTO Custom Colors. Keys Outdoors, Musky Mayhem, and Musky Innovations all teamed up this year to bring you the Baitfish series. 4 Cisco patterns from Musky Mayhem. 4 Baitfish patterns from Musky Innovation. And there's only one place you can get these cool custom colors, and that's from Musky Tackle Online. Nice musky here. First cast, cold front conditions. I'm gonna let this girl go back. Oh my God, how cool was that? Wow. Yeah, baby. Wow. How flippin' cool was that? My lure was out of the water and that frickin' fish came up and spanked it. Wow. What a cool strike. That fish came right out of the water, must have missed the bait, and the back hook ended up getting between the gill plate and the fish and embedding itself. That's how I got her. Nothing I could do about it. What I did is left her in the net, took my time, let her just recoup before, and you know, when you see that around the gill plate or around the tongue, you know, just cut it out. Don't sit there and try ripping it out at all. Just go get your tools, get what you need, get your cutters, good cutters, and clip it out like that. You know, what a cool strike. What a all day, you know, grind too. I mean, really put the time in. You know, started at about 8 o'clock this morning, and now it's 8:30 at night, so a good 12-hour day. Took a little break and just went and scouted some stuff on this particular body of water. But what a nice fish. She should be recouped now. Just gonna pull her out quick and then let her go back. She's pretty stressed out, so she's splashing around in there, so that's a good sign. Real good sign. Oh, there you go. Fish number 2 of the day. All right, man. She's looking good too. She wants to get back in. We're gonna let her go back. Here it is. 8th of August. Last fish of the day on a bulldog. Awesome. Nice fish. This is what it's all about. Let's let her go back. And there she goes. Yes! Whew. It's groups like Muskies Inc. stocking waters like this in local chapters, in local muskie clubs, all joining together for the common good of muskie fishing by stocking these waters. I just heard that the DNR just released like 600 muskies here. So pretty awesome to see that happen. Gonna call it a night, call it a week, and boy, tough week, but that's muskie fishing. This is the life of the muskie world, I'll tell you that much right now. A lot of grinding it out and staying true to the cause and never giving up, and I was rewarded with a really nice fish. What a cool strike. That thing came out of the water, just devoured that bulldog. Unbelievable, man. Very cool. So let's wrap her up. Hey, thanks for watching, and if you would like to learn more about the products seen on this week's show, go to our website. I don't know where we're going to be, but I do guarantee you this: it will be an adventure.